We are going over phrasal verbs that are essential to know when working in a business setting. Now, a phrasal verb is a specific type of compound verb where we are taking a main verb and combining it with a preposition or an adverb. Then we are able to create a new meaning. Phrasal verbs are really important to know because they are widely used in negotiations, business meetings, presentations. They're used in both written and spoken English, and they allow you to become more natural and fluent when you're speaking English. Now, I'm going to go over with you these essential phrasal verbs for business. I have 15 of them, but in this video, we're going to go over only the first 8. So this is part 1. Make sure to stay tuned for part 2, where we go over the remaining 7. Now, I am going to go through each of these phrasal verbs. We will go through the definitions of them, and then I want you to really repeat after me and try and match my pronunciation as closely as possible. Let's go. Now, our first phrasal verb is break down. Now, break down means to divide something into smaller parts or to explain something in detail. We could say, for example, we need to break down the project into smaller tasks. Break down. Break down. Break down. Break down. We have carry out. Carry out means to perform or complete a task. We could say, for example, the team is carrying out the research on the new product. Carry out. Carry out. Carry out. Carry out. We have call off. Call off means to cancel something. For example, we could say, we had to call off the meeting due to scheduling conflicts. Call off. Call off. Call off. Call off. Come up with. Come up with means to think of or create something. This could be a plan or an idea or even a solution. For example, we could say, she came up with a great marketing strategy. Come up with. Come up with. Come up with. Come up with. Go over. Go over means to review or check something carefully. For example, we could say, let's go over the proposal one more time before the presentation. Go over. Go over. Go over. Go over. Get ahead. Now, get ahead means to advance or progress in your career goals. For example, we could say, she really worked hard to get ahead in the company. Get ahead. Get ahead. Get ahead. Get ahead. Take over. Take over means to assume control or responsibility of something. For example, we could say, she is going to take over the marketing department next month. Take over. Take over. Take over. Take over. Turn down. Turn down means to reject or decline an offer or a proposal. For example, we could say, the company decided to turn down our partnership proposal. Turn down. Turn down. Turn down. turn down. Now, make sure to stay tuned for part 2 of Essential Phrasal Verbs for Business, where I will be going through the remaining 7 phrasal verbs that you need to know when conducting business in English.